Alright, what's up everyone? So before I even start, I just want to say thank you to all the new subscribers and all the support and the nice comments on the last video. I really appreciate that and it means a lot, right? So we're at 58 subscribers right now, so road to 100 soon, right? So that's that. Again, thank you guys. So, like we know on this channel, full transparency, right? So let's start. Today was an L day. Could have been avoided? No, the setup just didn't play out. Now, it was a no new Monday, okay, so that's that. And here, let me show you guys the accounts. So we know I'm risking 250, so 5 contracts. Here, minus, minus, minus. And I took 2 trades. So performance. So that was Monday. So yeah, here Monday, I took 2 trades. I got 1 break even, 1 L, okay? But from now on, I'll just take 1 trade and not close the position, not break even. Either I hit full TP or take an L straight away. So yeah, no longer break even, no nothing. So just 1 trade. So that's that. Let me close this. We'll be doing the trade recap like always on TradingView, since it's cleaner and we have our indicator already, okay? But as you guys seen, no secret, today I lost, okay? So yeah, and someone in the comment asked for my strategy. On the weekend, I'll do a video, I'll explain details, the strategy. It's basically the same thing as my old one, just, you know, with minor changement, so timing and all that, right? So let's start. So Nasdaq, okay. So first of all, high and low. Before I even start the recap, even though we lost today, you know, I did take 2 trades. So from now on, I'll just take 1 trade, not touch the break even, not close the position, nothing. But even though I took a loss, if I win 1 trade, so I can lose 3 times in a row, you know, I can lose today, tomorrow, and after tomorrow, right? And 1 good trade will wipe out all the losses. So that's why that's why you guys need to stay disciplined, and me too, right? So for example, today I lost 250, right? Tomorrow I lose 250, right? And let's say just 1 trade a day, everything's correct, so we're down 500. And then Wednesday, I get my full 1, 2, 3. So that's, wait, I need to make minus 500. 750. Not only I wiped all the losses and I'm up 250, right? That's on each account. So probably, yeah. So that's why, even though we lost, we're not gonna force anything. We're just gonna keep on going and scaling. Anyway, so that's what I wanted to say. So Asia high, Asia low. Sessions, right? London high, London low. Then any higher time frame fair value gaps, I didn't see any. Go to the 1 hour, I seen this one right there. Anything else? Not really. Then I went to the 30-minute, adjusted it, so this would go right there. And already we can see price had some rejection, right? But I think the problem today was in part no news today, right? But not only that, is today we were just in an uptrend, right? Just longs the whole day. Here we can see, you know, this is the 1 hour candle, so 9, 10, 11, and so on, just straight flying. It happens and it is what it is. We just stay locked in, right? Okay, so this is marked. Then I go on the 5-minute. If needed, I can draw a box. So for example, this would go from there to right there, right? Perfect. So we need to be careful. Asia is right there actually. So 245, 255, right there. Yeah, so just be careful on the 5-minute. to adjust the lines correctly. So market open, no pullback, no nothing. It's just straight up flying, flying, flying. And I should have known. We're flying up, we have no news. I should have looked for longs, right? But I've seen this fair value gap get hit and reject at 9:45. So I'm like, okay, maybe finally we're gonna stop going up and actually go down. So I waited for the pullback, 9:50 I'm in. And straight away L, right? Nothing to say, setup didn't play out, it's all good. Then I was like, okay, we're just going up, 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 right? So I'm gonna look for a buy, right? Let me just check, was it on the 1 minute? 30 minute. So I was saying, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna start looking for buys, right? 10 starts, I'm still waiting. We do this, we go straight up and then start going down, and we close below, what's it called? Asia high. Next 30-minute candle does the same thing. I'm like, from there, there's no way it's still gonna go up, right? So from there, I take a trade, 10:30. Yeah, around 10:30, so 10:35 probably. I took a trade right there. And from there, I was pretty close to getting stopped out. I just left it though. And then I seen it just consolidating, whatever the word is, right? So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go break even and be done for the day, because price is just not moving, right? And that's pretty much what I done. Broke even. It went price went to my break even, and yeah, that was it. So yeah. Now I shouldn't have taken another trade after this. I did though, but I won't anymore. I'll just take one trade. Either we win, either we lose, and that's it. But regardless, today was just flying up, right? And Tuesday and Wednesday we have no news too, so I'm gonna have to check for that. Whatever the trend is, I guess, I'm just gonna try to find trades in between. Not in between, in the trend, right? Now, doesn't matter, because I know my strategy works, so doesn't matter what happened today. That's pretty much it, to be honest. But yeah, daily recaps, like always. So Monday to Friday, I'm gonna be posting around 5, so in like 20 minutes, right? That's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed it, subscribe, and you guys will see full transparency on my trading journey, right? So yeah, and like I said, on the weekends I'll upload a video about my strat if you guys are interested. And yeah, thank you guys again, and see you guys tomorrow.